AMD announced a new multi-billion-dollar deal with OpenAI in a move that looks to challenge AI giant Nvidia, which recently announced plans to acquire a 4% stake in rival Intel. The AMD announcement comes just weeks after two of its biggest rivals, Nvidia and Intel, announced plans to collaborate on new custom data center and consumer chips that combine Intel's CPU and Nvidia's GPU. As part of the deal, Nvidia said it will acquire around $5 billion worth of Intel shares. AMD's shares dropped after this deal was announced as it threatened to dent a critical moat the company had over Nvidia. Only AMD and Intel are licensed to manufacture x86 chips, the architecture that powers most desktops, servers, and laptops around the world. However, the Nvidia and Intel deal opens the doors for Nvidia's GPUs, used to power AI applications and graphically intense tasks, to be closely integrated with Intel's x86 CPUs. Last month, Nvidia announced plans to invest $100 billion in OpenAI, which will allow the ChatGPT maker to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of Nvidia systems for its artificial intelligence data centers to, quote, train and run its next generation, end quote, AI models. The first of these deployments is also scheduled to come online in the second half of 2026. However, unlike AMD's deal, this deal has not been finalized, as Nvidia and OpenAI have only signed a letter of intent. The AMD deal will see OpenAI acquire and deploy 6 gigawatts worth of AMD's AI chips, starting with a 1 gigawatt deployment of AMD's Instinct MI450 GPU next year. The deal is AMD's most significant win in its attempt to challenge Nvidia's dominance in the AI chip space, and also helps OpenAI reduce its dependence on Nvidia's GPUs. Neither company's announcement mentioned the exact value of the deal, but AMD noted that its partnership with the ChatGPT maker is expected to deliver tens of billions of dollars in revenue for AMD. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.